Growing your SaaS is hard, especially when nobody knows that it exists. In this video series, I will be sharing about marketing hacks for developers that developers can use to market their SaaS products. In this video, we will be studying about programmatic SEO, how it works, what is programmatic SEO, and how we can use to market our products. What is programmatic SEO? Is a marketing strategy that is used to rank multiple landing pages on Google to get traffic for free. Programmatic SEO is basically created or generated through long tail keywords. What is long tail keywords are specific and low competition phrases. For example, if your SaaS is all about taxes, we can create pages for how to file taxes in different city, where city is a placeholder and rest is a static data. How to file taxes in United States, how to file taxes in United Kingdom. These are some of the long tail keywords example and programmatic SEO example. Let's start with how we will be doing it. First, we have to find some keywords, long tail keywords that will be used to develop these pages. Firstly, we have to go to SEMrush or Ahrefs. I will go to ahrefs.com. Ahrefs have a great free tool that we can use to search for the keywords. Let's search for rage rooms. After searching for rage rooms, we have got this rage rooms in Atlanta, rage rooms in Georgia, rage rooms in Chicago. So these are our long tail keywords. What we will be using from it is we will be creating different routes from these and adding the placeholder city in it. Let me show you how actually it works. So basically what happens is that you will create a route that will be like, for example, here I have already created a route that is Texas and then the city is a placeholder. So when we will be creating a page that is how to file taxes in United States or how to file taxes in United Kingdom, what we will be using is getting the city from the URL and creating a page around it. Let's start creating it. I have created a fresh project that is Next.js 15 project. Okay, this is the project that has already been created and this is the fresh Next.js project. In this project, we will be creating one landing page that will be all about either rage rooms or how to file taxes. Let's start by creating a page. Let's remove all the landing page data and just start with how to file taxes. We will have to create a directory because Next.js routing works according to directories. Okay, now I have created the directories with the city parameter and then the page.tsx file. Let's start by exporting the React component. One of the main things that I like to do is to create pages as a server component and client components inside them. So let's do it there. Okay, now let's see how our page is looking. Okay, now you can see that we are getting how to file taxes in United States. Now let's design it and make it better. Now we will be having multiple pages. For example, United States, Kingdom, etc. Let's change this to rage rooms in that city. Let's start with a class name and okay, now it's working fine. Now we have to just create a landing page that will be looking good. So let's design it and make it better. First thing we will do is we will create this heading rage rooms in. Let's add some text size of 6XL and text white. Let's check. Yeah, max width 7XL and max auto. Let's get some description from ChatGPT or any other model you can use. Let's get it from ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Okay, let's add this. Let's add parameter city here also. Now we will be adding some similar data that is rage room images or extract. You can use this powerful programmatic SEO technique to get the traffic from Google for free. After all this has been done, what we have to do is to create a sitemap.xml. Let's get some data for sitemap.xml file. Let's copy this and paste it. We can use coding, generate the pages and sitemap from there. Let's do it. Here is an example on Next.js website. Let's copy it. We have to change the name of sitemap.xml to sitemap.ts for this to run, and we will be adding different countries into this, all the cities in this site file. That will generate us all the pages including our programmatic SEO landing page. Let's get the list of countries. You can find the list of countries below in the description, and I will provide you there, and I will be using that also. We can use this simple country list, then we will loop through it and create the page's name according to the countries. Let's say we have a website named ragerooms.com. Then we will go and add Rage Rooms as our URL and then the country name. Now we can just spread the countries array into it. We can just use URL and we can add that URL into our, we can spread that array that will be created using this function and add that into our sitemap.xml file. Let me know if this helps you and let you get the traffic for your SaaS product in the comments below.